Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A quick one here. I want to teach you how to withdraw your USDT from your Bybit account to your Phantom wallet. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you're on your assets. Then you click on assets. Once you're on assets, then you go to unified trading. Once it opens, from my unified trading, you can see I have like 34 USDT over here. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you click on transfer. Once it opens, then you have to interchange this arrow here, making the unified trading account to be above. Then you have to move your USDT from your unified trading account to your funding account. So you click on maximum, then you click confirm. Then your USDT is now in your funding wallet, in your funding account, you can see. Then I'll proceed to my Phantom wallet or your Solflare, any Solana wallet you are using. So I'll just proceed to my Phantom wallet to copy my wallet address, Solana wallet address. Then this is my Phantom wallet. I've copied my USDT Solana wallet. So I'll just proceed to Bybit. So I'll just proceed back to my Bybit account. I'll click on the funding section. Then I can see my USDT, 34 USDT. Then I'll touch it. Once I touch it, I'll click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, I'll have to paste my Solana wallet, USDT wallet address here. Once I click on it, then I'll choose network. I can see Ethereum network, Tron, Arbitrum. I can see Solana. So always take note of the particular network you are transferring to. It's very important so you don't lose your money. So I will just click on Solana. Then I will click here max. Then because the fee, I don't know if you took note, Solana here, Solana will charge you 1 USD or as gas fee. So I'll just proceed back. Then so I will receive 33 USDT in my wallet, in my Solana wallet address. So I'll just click on withdraw, then confirm. Then I'll proceed to get code from my email, get code. Then let me proceed to get my code. Now I've copied my code. I'll just paste it here. Then I'll proceed to copy my Google Authenticator code. Then I'll paste the Google Authenticator code. Then I'll confirm. Withdrawal application submitted. So it's in progress. Please head to the asset page to check the status. Recommended security verification method to enhance your account security. So I'll just click on OK. Then it's actually processing. Then you can see my USDT has arrived inside my Phantom wallet. So that is all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe for more crypto tips like this.